Why is it crucial to understand carbohydrate exchange and calorie counting, particularly for those managing diabetes? This is a question that many ask, and today we'll delve into the answer. Imagine your body as a finely tuned engine where food is the fuel. For an engine to function optimally, it needs the right kind of fuel in the right amount. That's where carbohydrate exchange and calorie counting come into play. Carbohydrate exchange is a method of meal planning that involves counting the number of carbohydrate servings in a meal. One carbohydrate exchange is equal to 15 grams of carbohydrates. This means if you consume a meal that contains 30 grams of carbohydrates, you've had 2 carbohydrate exchanges. Now, why is this important? Carbohydrates have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. By keeping track of carbohydrate exchanges, one can maintain a balanced diet and keep blood sugar levels in check. Think of it like this: you're about to enjoy a bowl of piping hot laksa. A typical serving contains about 60 grams of carbohydrates. That's roughly 4 carbohydrate exchanges. By being aware of this, you can adjust the rest of your meals for the day accordingly. Now let's move on to calorie counting. Calories are a measure of energy. Every food item contains a certain number of calories. To maintain a healthy weight, one needs to balance the number of calories consumed with the number of calories burned through physical activities. For example, if you're about to dig into a delicious plate of nasi lemak, be aware that a typical serving contains about 600 calories. If your daily calorie intake should be around 2,000 calories, you know that this meal alone covers almost a third of your daily requirement. So, how do you count calories? It's actually not as daunting as it sounds. Every food item has a calorie count, usually listed on the packaging or easily found online. By adding up the calories in each food item you consume, you can keep track of your total calorie intake for the day. In summary, carbohydrate exchange and calorie counting are powerful tools for managing your diet, particularly for those with diabetes. Carbohydrate exchange allows you to keep track of the amount of carbohydrates in your meals, thereby helping you manage your blood sugar levels. Calorie counting, on the other hand, helps you balance your energy intake and expenditure, supporting healthy weight management. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember that every bite you take is not just about satisfying your taste buds. It's also about fueling your body with the right kind of fuel, in the right amount. Understanding carbohydrate exchange and calorie counting can empower you to make informed decisions about your meals, ensuring that your body gets the nourishment it needs while keeping your blood sugar levels and weight in check. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about what you're eating, the better equipped you'll be to manage your diet and your health. Enjoy your meals, but also understand them.